Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is the word problems part 2 of quadratic equations. If you want to watch part 1, there is a link in the description box below. You can check that out. Now let's see this problem. Here it says the length of the hall is 3 meters more than its breadth. If the area of the hall is 238 square meters, calculates its length and breadth. They have asked us to calculate length and breadth of the hall. So first let's take let the breadth of the hall be x meters. So here it says the length of the hall is 3 meters more than its breadth. So therefore length of the hall is 3 meters more than its breadth. Here breadth we have taken as x, right? If the area of the hall is 238 square meters, we know area is given by length into breadth. Here it says the area is 238 square meters, which is equal to length of the hall is 3 plus x and breadth we have taken as x, right? So now let's solve this equation. We have 238 which is equal to x into 3 is 3x plus x square, right? Now let's write this equation in the standard form. We have x square plus 3x minus 238 which is equal to 0, right? So now in this a is equal to 1 and your b is 3 and c is minus 238. Now let's apply the quadratic formula to find the roots of this equation. So let me continue here. We know x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, right? So here minus b is 3 plus or minus square root of b square, 3 square is 9 minus 4 into a is 1 into c is minus 238 by 2 into a is 1 minus 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus of minus is plus 4 into 238 is 952 divided by 2 which is equal to minus 3 plus or minus 9 plus 952 is 961. So square root of 961 is 31. That is 31 into 31 is 961. So divide by 2. So this means x is equal to minus 3 plus 31 by 2 or x is equal to minus 3 minus 31 by 2, right? So let me continue here. So now in this case minus 3 plus 31 is plus 28 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 fours are 8. So your x is 14. So now in this case x is equal to minus 3 minus 31 will give you minus 34 by 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2. 2 sevens are 14. So minus 17, right? Clearly minus 17 cannot be the breadth of the hall, right? Because it's a negative value. So it has to be 14. So therefore your breadth of the hall is 14 meters and length is 3 plus 14, that is 17 meters. Now let's see one more problem. So we have the perimeter of a rectangular plot is 62 meter and its area is 228 square meters. Find the dimensions of the plot. So here they have asked the dimensions of the plot. That is, you have to find the length and breadth of the rectangular plot. So first let's take the length of the rectangular plot be x. That is, let the length of the rectangular plot be x meters. So now here it says the perimeter of the rectangular plot. So what do you mean by perimeter? Now if you say this is your rectangular plot, this is your length and this is your breadth, this is length and breadth, right? Perimeter means all the sides, that is the outline. So therefore, perimeter is nothing but 2 times length plus breadth. Agreed? That is L plus B, which is nothing but 2 times L plus B, right? So here perimeter is given as 62 meter, that is your perimeter is 62, which is equal to 2 into, we have taken length as x plus breadth is b, right? So now let's see what is b here. So 62 by 2, so 2 ones are 2, 3 is a 6, 2 ones are 2, so 31 is equal to x plus b, right? Which implies b is equal to 31 minus x. So your breadth is 31 minus x. So further it says its area is 228 square meters. We know area of the rectangular plot is nothing but length into breadth. Here A is 228 square meters, which is equal to your length of the plot we have taken as x and your breadth is 31 minus x, right? So now let's simplify this equation. We have 228 is equal to 31x plus into minus is minus, x into x is x square. So we have minus x square, bring that to the left hand side, that will be plus x square, right? So minus 31x plus 228 is equal to 0. So now we have a quadratic equation in the standard form, right? Where a is 1, b is minus 31 and your c is 228. So let me continue here. So we have x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So your minus b, minus of b is minus 31. So plus or minus square root of b square is 31 the whole square. So 31 square is 961 minus 4 into a is 1 into c is 228. Divide by 2 into a is 1, right? Which is equal to minus of minus is plus 31. So plus or minus square root of 961 minus 4 ones are 4. 4 into 228 is 912. So 961 minus 912 by 2, right? So which is equal to 31 plus or minus 961 minus 912 will give you 49. So square root of 49 is 7 by 2, which means x is equal to 31 plus 7 by 2 or x is equal to 31 minus 7 by 2, right? So in this case 31 plus 7 is 38 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 9s are 18, so that is 19, right? So here x is equal to, so 31 minus 7 is 24 by 2, so 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, so your x is 12, right? So now when x is 19, that is your length of the rectangular plot is 19, your breadth will be 31 minus 19 will give you 12, right? Similarly, when x is 12, your breadth will be 31 minus 12, that will give you 19. Let me write here, therefore, length is equal to 19 meters and your breadth is 31 minus x, which is give you 31 minus 19 is nothing but 12 meters. Now let's see one more problem. So now let's see this problem. Here it says the speed of a boat in still water is 15 km per hour. It goes 30 km upstream and returns back to the same point in 4 hours 30 minutes. Find the speed of the stream. Here they have asked find the speed of the stream. So let's take the speed of the stream be x km per hour. That is, let speed of the stream be x km per hour. Given here the speed of the boat in still water is 15 km. So the speed of the boat in still water is 15 kilometer per hour, right? So here it says it goes 30 kilometer upstream and returns back to the same point in 4 hours 30 minutes. So time taken to go only upstream is, that is the time taken to go 30 kilometer upstream is nothing but 30 by speed of the boat is what? 15, right? Minus it has to go against the flow, that is the speed of the stream. Here the speed of the stream is x. So the time taken to go 30 kilometer upstream is 30 by 15 minus x. Similarly, time taken to come down to the same point from where it has started is 30 by 15 plus x, that is with the flow, right? So it is 15 plus x. So the total time is given as 4 hours 30 minutes. So the total time is this plus this is 4 hours 30 minutes. So that is 30 by 15 minus x plus 30 by 15 plus x is, so here we have 4 hours 30 minutes. 4 hours 30 minutes means half hours, right, in terms of hours. So 60 minutes will give you 1 hour, so 30 minutes is half. So 4.5 hours, right? So that is 4.5 hours. These everything are in hours. Alright. So now we have to simplify this. So let's take the LCM here. Here the LCM is 15 minus x and 15 plus x, right? So 30 into 15 plus x plus 30 into 15 minus x, which is equal to 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, so 9 by 2, right? So we have to further simplify this, but before that, pause the video and note this down. So now we have this equation from the previous slide, right? So now let's cross multiply here, which implies 30 into 15 plus x plus 30 into 15 minus x is equal to 9 by 2 into, bring this whole term to the other side, so that will be 15 minus x into 15 plus x, right? So here 30 into 15 is 450 plus 30x plus 30 into 50 is 450 minus 30x is equal to 9 by 2 into, so here if you see a plus b and a minus b, so a square minus b square, right? So a square is 15 square minus b square is x square, right? So which implies, so here 450 plus 450 is 900 plus 30x and minus 30x will be get cancelled, which is equal to 9 by 2 into 15 square is 225 minus x square, right? So here again if you cross multiply, 2 into 900 is 1800, which is equal to 9 into 225 is 2025 minus 9x square. Now let's bring this minus 9x square to the left hand side, that will be plus 9x square, which is equal to 2025 minus 1800, which implies 9x square is equal to 225. So this implies x square is equal to 225 by 9, right? So 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15, so 3 1s are, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. So your x square is 25. So x square is 25, so therefore your x is square root of 25, that is 5, right? I have taken the speed of the stream as x. So your speed of the stream is 5 kilometers per hour. So therefore, speed of the stream is 5 kilometer per hour. So this is it in this video. If you want me to solve some more problems under this topic, do let me know in the comment section below. I will be happy to do so. See you soon. Till then, take care. Almighty bless.